Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate forwarding for email address in IONOS. The first thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top and click on menu, and then from here I want you to click on email, okay? And you will be presented with all the domains you have, right? And then I want you to select the one that has the email address you want to deactivate forwarding for. So I have this one right here. What I want you to do is first click on the email. Okay, so click on this right here. And now what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down, and here under email settings, you should see forward. So you can see this is forwarding to this email address, and I want you to click on that. And what I need you to do right here under actions, you'll actually see this X icon, this X symbol. I want you to go ahead and click on this, and then you'll get this pop-up right here. They'll ask you to remove forward. Okay, click here on remove. Now the forward will be removed. As you can see, it has been deleted. The change will take effect immediately. And if we come back, as you can see, it is basically disabled. So let me click on this right here, and you should see that there is no forwarding set up. And it's really that easy, and that is how to deactivate forwarding for email address in IONOS.